Alrighty, welcome back. As we all know, we have some trees added to our environment. If I zoom out, you can see like the whole terrain because we mass placed like some. We have them placed randomly all over the terrain, and we painted just a few of these like tinier ones. And in this video, we are gonna add a little bit of visual effects. We're gonna start adding some visual effects. I'm gonna add grass and rocks in the end. And then eventually the dust storm. All right, so to do that, what you want to do is go to your windows. We're gonna add fog, like depth, like fog. So we're gonna start that. We go to window, we go to rendering, we go to light setting, and you can see here we have, if you scroll to the bottom in other settings, we have fog. We have our fog, and now you can see that our game environment looks much better. But we don't want gray fog. We want it to look dusty. So we're gonna go ahead and change the color here. And I'm gonna see if I can add a sort of a more dustier looking look. Pick a color which you think looks the best. I think this is good enough. Okay, so you can increase the density and you can see how that affects the overall environment. It doesn't affect the sky. We'll learn how to do the sky in a bit. So it depends on like how dusty you want the environment to be. This looks fine. Let's just leave it to 1 because that's what I had in the previous scene. The one that I showed you guys as an example. And let's just leave it there. I think that looks good. So now that we have like a fog sort of an effect, you can leave it to exponential squared. Now that we have a fog sort of an effect going on, we can sort of see the fade now. The next thing is to add the post-processing. So you guys might not have the post-processing package imported into your environment. We are going to learn how to do that in the next video. So I'm going to end this one here. So this is just like to learn how to add fog to the environment. Actually, let's adjust the light a little. So we have our directional light. And what we want to do is sort of create a sunset. There we can see our sun. I can lower this to what I want, and we can sort of start to see like how that's starting to look. Yeah, that's not bad. I kind of like that. Maybe you want to adjust it a little more, and you can see the shadows and everything. Maybe I think it might be a little too dark. Let's raise that a little. There you go. Okay. I just feel like the sand needs to be scaled a little better. Let's try 15 by 15. Yeah, maybe. Normal scale. So that adjusts the depth. Like without the normal map, you can see that's what that's going to look like. So we kind of really do need the normal map. Okay. Let's see where our main camera is. Does that look nice? Yeah, that looks better. Alrighty, cool. So that's us adjusting our light and adding our fog effect. All right, thanks for watching, and in the next video we will add the post-processing effects. All right, cool.